Oh, happy Friday night to you. It is Friday night. The week is just blowing through. I'm definitely living the programmer's life now, where I work, sleep, wake up, try to get a little exercise in. I'm still starting to fade. I need to work my arms back again, but this is the downside of being in demand, is I have not had a chance to work out as much as I should. Lots of interesting things. I've got my phone ringing, and let me get rid of that. I got my phone ringing, and it's been ringing off the hook functionally. So, interesting thing. So I've got my bot out and going. Thankfully, I got out the version that's out right now. There's some new interesting things I'm going to be adding to it from what I've learned. There's a whole series of from low profile to highly involved sites that it works on quite nicely. My beta testers are going through, and they're testing and they're confirming what I'm finding. And hopefully they get in on a few drops and see how it works out on the drops. But definitely they're confirming the sites that are going to cart, the site are going through cart, where it means they check out and you get an email from from the store saying it's on its way. And we're working through all the lovely little nuances of carting, and all the nuances and the anti-bot and the all the fun stuff. So that's taking place right now. It's in the hands of the beta testers, and they're enjoying it. And I've got well over 100 people right now lined up between all the Discord sites and Twitter and YouTube and Facebook. So there's at least 100 people lined up to buy. Some people already started to buy. I'm limiting the keys on this, but I'm glad that's gotten to the point, because one of my clients came out of bankruptcy, and so they're getting some stuff. They're aiming stuff my way. I got to get some work done for them. Another client has woken up. Another couple clients have woken up. So all of a sudden, just besides my standard, fun I was doing for the bot, and it's producing and it's moving forward. Now I've got my traditional clients have woken back up, and I need to go get work done for them too. Nothing, this week was taking a look at a 4U Dell R9 server. I won't get into which version of it. We'll just say R9. And having to, computers don't last forever. Parts burn out. And when you have to, you need some arms. We have to pull one of those suckers out of the rack. I think that box weighed 110 pounds, if I recall, when last time I looked at it. Got that out, opened it up, took some risers out, replaced a few risers, replaced a few things. Things that just, the computer never goes off. From the day it was purchased, it has hardly ever been off. Never is an exaggeration. It's run 24/7 for years at a time. Anyway, so getting involved, getting that sort of stuff done. As you can hear my phone machine gunning away. This is all good stuff. It's things are getting really busy for me right now, and this is the nature of high-end software. You do lots of nothing for a long period of time, then everyone wants your time at the same time. So that being said, I'm taking care of my main clients. Still spending time investing on the bot project. One of the beta testers was nice enough to give me a list of 57 sites to test. Yeah. Okay. Well, I don't have time to personally do them all. I'm hoping I can throw some of those off to the other testers, because I got people wanting my time. Anyway, so that's where we're at. It's all good. The life of a programmer. Busy. But if you want to be a programmer, and you want to do it the high-end stuff, not the light-duty stuff, not where you're just a small cog in the wheel. It's where people depend on you, or things just don't work, period, and you're not that easily replaceable. Then there you go. That's the up and the downside of it. Anyway, Friday night, guess what I'm going to do tonight? I'm going to have some Earl Grey tea, because I'm trying to cut back off the Red Bull, and I'm going to hit some code tonight and knock out a few things for the bot, and maybe one or two things for my other clients, and call it a night. You have a good night. Have a good weekend. Guess what I'm going to do all weekend? I'm probably going to work on things. I hope you find something fun and productive to do. You take care. Talk to you later. Bye.